In a world where the exchange of goods was once a heavy task, humanity evolved to create something more efficient: money. Welcome back to SYB Finance. Without any delay, let's start about money from its origins. Our story begins in the annals of history when trade relied on the cumbersome barter system. People exchanged goods directly, but the limitations were evident. Not every item had an equal counterpart. The need for an intermediary emerged. Enter the earliest forms of money: tangible tokens like shells, metal coins, and large stones. These physical representations of value transformed the way we conducted transactions, simplifying trade and marking the birth of modern currency. Act 2. Banking and creation of money. As societies grew, so did the need for a more sophisticated financial system. Banks emerged as trusted institutions to safeguard money and facilitate transactions. But what many don't realize is that banks hold a unique power: the ability to create money through the fractional reserve system. They're required to keep only a fraction of deposited funds in reserve, allowing them to lend out the rest, effectively creating new money in the form of loans. Act 3. Central banks and monetary policy. To maintain financial stability and control the money supply, central banks like the Federal Reserve or the European Central Bank play a pivotal role. They wield influence over interest rates, adjusting them to stimulate or restrain economic growth. Their intricate web of policies, from open market operations to reserve requirements, shapes the economy we live in. Act 4. Digital money and cryptocurrencies. The digital age ushered in a new era of money: digital currency. Transactions now occur at the speed of light, thanks to electronic payment methods and online banking. And then there's cryptocurrency, exemplified by Bitcoin. Born from the desire for decentralized money, it operates independently of traditional banking systems. However, its volatile nature raises questions about its long-term viability. Act 5. The dark money. Dark money, often referred to as the hidden economy or underground economy, represents financial activities that occur off the radar of conventional financial systems. This secret world operates in the shadows, away from the investigation of government authorities and tax agencies. Its participants engage in a range of illicit activities, from money laundering to tax evasion, and they utilize complex schemes to conceal their true identities and sources of wealth. One of the primary components of dark money is money laundering. This process involves taking dirty money, which is obtained through illegal means such as drug trafficking, corruption, or organized crime, and making it appear clean by channeling it through legitimate financial channels. Criminal organizations employ various techniques to achieve this, including creating shell companies, manipulating transactions, and investing in legal businesses. Money laundering not only helps criminals enjoy the proceeds of their illegal activities without detection, but also destabilizes legitimate economies and undermines the rule of law. The black market, another integral part of dark money, thrives on the anonymity provided by the deep web. It operates as a clandestine marketplace where individuals can buy and sell contraband goods and services, often using cryptocurrencies for transactions. From counterfeit passports and illegal drugs to hacking tools and stolen data, the black market offers a wide array of illicit products and services. The deep web's encryption and anonymity features make it challenging for law enforcement agencies to monitor and combat these activities effectively. However, dark money isn't solely the domain of criminals. It extends to encompass corrupt politicians, wealthy elites, and even corporations. They utilize offshore accounts, tax havens, and intricate financial instruments to obscure their assets and minimize tax liabilities. These practices are often legal, but they raise ethical questions about wealth inequality and the fairness of the tax system. Moreover, they deprive governments of significant tax revenues that could be used for public services and development projects. Efforts to combat dark money involve international cooperation, regulatory reforms, and enhanced transparency measures. Governments and organizations worldwide are working tirelessly to expose and dismantle hidden financial networks. Initiatives like the Common Reporting Standard, CRS, and the Financial Action Task Force, FATF, aim to improve the exchange of financial information between countries and enhance money laundering and counter terrorist financing measures.